Morning everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. The weather has been very bad and the yard is getting out of control. It rains and rains and rains for days now. Today is beautiful and clear, but it's supposed to rain again all day today and tomorrow. But I got the camera in my hand because I wanted to show you something unsettling. We had a light frost last night. Let me see if I can find that one. Again, it's hard to show, but we had a light frost last night. I noticed that there was heavy condensation in the house on the windows, which means frost. Is that? I'm not focusing well today. But you can see the lighter color on the grass where the sun hasn't come yet. There's a good shot of frost right there. See if I can get that to zoom in. So we got frost last night again. I was afraid of that. I don't know this year if we're gonna plant. Not without finishing that greenhouse, and we're not here enough. We don't have the resources to do it this year. This isn't focusing today. See? We got frost in mid-June after the last danger of frost is past. So I was afraid it was going to happen. I told Melanie, don't plant yet. She wanted to get plants in the ground, and I told her, do not plant yet, because it just isn't safe yet. Now, last year I mowed the lawn 3 times total the whole year. This year I didn't even quite finish mowing the lawn, and it has to be cut again. It's crazy this year. So it's pretty bad. Now, Melanie did get some flowers in, a raised bed, and some seeds over here. It's a little bit higher ground and it's up closer to the house, so they should be fine. What is it? Oh, she transplanted lettuce. It grew on its own. We have some lettuce that grew up on its own over in our lettuce bed by the house. But yeah, there's frost even over here. Yeah, we got hit. I'm hoping that these were high enough because she didn't have them protected. It looks like they weren't frosted. Raised beds are going to be the way to go this year. It's going to be the only way to go this year because anything else is just freezing. We haven't had summer start yet. We haven't even had really spring start yet because we get these freezing nights. Now the grass doesn't seem to mind. And the garden has to be mowed. Literally, the garden has to be mowed. Even if I was going to till it, it'll have to be mowed now. The other garden over there is a complete lawn. It's amazing how fast those weeds grew. Just incredible. You'd never know there was a garden there if those stakes weren't there. That's a lawn now. And same here. There's one strip of the garden is still a little bit bare, but the rest is a lawn. That's not sand, that's weeds. So I've got to mow the garden. And, well, that's how it is. The orchard is all but gone. There's 2 trees alive, and a couple are sprouting at the base. They're dead. So that was a loss. It's been a weird year. Chris, my old friend Chris from New York, helped us out a lot. He told me if I want to grow anything anymore, I've got to do it in a greenhouse. He says, you want to grow fruit trees, you put it in a greenhouse. He says it's going to be bad. I guess they're having it sort of bad over there too. I don't think they're having freezing nights, but it's bad. Anyway, I wanted to show you what's going on with the weather here. When I saw the condensation on the windows, I knew that it was frost. So, see what happens. The peppermint should be fine. The plants over here sort of, I don't know, got crushed or flopped. I'm not sure. They're a little bit lower down. The flowers that are higher up should be fine. Over here, yeah, the peppermint got frosted. I hope it'll be fine. It really got frosted over. And her flowers over here, it's a lower bed. I guess we'll find out once the sun comes up if they're okay or not. But you can see the frost on them. It's a lot lower. That's the first set of flowers we had planted. They're starting to come up and do something. I hope they're not damaged. Well, we'll see. Yeah, I don't know this year about gardening. I just don't know. Now, a lot of people are saying, why don't you just get that hoop house done? Well, because we put all the resources into the store. We don't have anything left. It takes time and money to build a store, and a lot of time. We don't have much time left, and we don't have any money left. It's all going in there to develop that. So I'm hoping to get pallets going, but the car that has the trailer hitch is dead. So we don't have a way to tow a trailer and haul pallets. But what I want to do is build raised grow beds up in there using pallets for framing and get that going. It's just a matter of time and weather. Alright guys, this video is brief. I gotta get myself ready for work. It's Troy from the Do It Yourself World and the Frosty Off-Grid Project. Talk to y'all later.